Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Silk beige ambitex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Media display. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, dynamic select for different driving patterns, turn wheel for infotainment center. This GLC has 27,086 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.